To change the classroom theme in Google Classroom, start by navigating to the Google Classroom website in your browser. You will see options for classroom management and tools. But for this purpose, proceed to your workspace. Once you're in your workspace, you'll see the Classroom Home, Calendar, Teaching, Archived Classes, and Settings. To change the theme, click on your class, which will take you to the stream, classwork, people, and grades. In the stream section, you'll see an option to customize the appearance, where you can select a photo, upload a photo, or choose a theme color from the available options, including blue, red, orange, green, purple, and gray. Once you've selected a color, click Save, and your theme will be updated. This process allows you to personalize your Google Classroom theme to your preference.